To write code without getting bored, try combining these strategies. 1. Build something you love. Work on projects that excite you. Games, apps, tools, websites. Solve real problems in your life or community. 2. Break tasks into small goals. Focus on small, achievable pieces. Celebrate mini successes to stay motivated. 3. Use visual feedback. Create interactive or visual outputs, animations, graphics, real-time changes. Tools like Pygame, P5, JS, or web-based development HTML, CSS, JS make it fun. 4. Code with others. Pair programming, contributing to open source, or joining coding communities can boost energy and reduce boredom. 5. Gamify your learning. Use platforms like Code Combat, Exorcism, LeetCode, or Advent of Code for fun challenges. 6. Switch styles or languages. 3 different languages or frameworks to keep it fresh. For example, if you're used to Python, experiment with JavaScript, Kotlin, or even Bash scripting. 7. Use AI help like ChatGPT. Ask for help with debugging, project ideas, or writing snippets to reduce the boring parts.